Want to create a stunning, professional-looking animated slide in just a few minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to design an amazing slide using simple shapes, colors, and animations. So let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab and choose a circle. Place it right in the middle of your slide. Now copy and paste that circle. Shrink the copied one slightly and place it exactly in the center of the larger circle. This gives us a neat layered effect. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Just take your time to align them properly. Once you're happy with your first pair of circles, select both of them together and duplicate the set. Position them around your slide so that you have multiple sets arranged neatly. You can resize them slightly to add variety. This will be the base for our design. Now let's create sections. Insert 2 rectangles and place them across the circles so they divide the sets into 4 equal quarter parts. This step is important because it's going to help us cut the shapes and make them look more professional. Next, select all the circles and rectangles together. Go up to the Shape Format tab, choose Merge Shapes, and then select Fragment. You'll see that all the shapes are now divided into smaller pieces. Delete the extra parts that you don't need, and you'll immediately notice a cleaner, more stylish layout forming. After cleaning up, select the shapes you want to keep and use the Union option from Merge Shapes. This combines the fragments into a single cohesive design. At this stage, you can also move the shapes slightly apart to create neat gaps between them. This spacing gives the slide a modern, minimal look. The animation part for this PowerPoint design is a little bit tricky. First, you have to select all the shapes, then copy them 2 times. Select the first set of shapes, right-click, and choose Format Object. From the Fill section, choose Gradient Fill. Then, from the Line option, select No Line. Next, go to the Shadow option and add a shadow. Finally, from the 3D Format option, increase the height of the top bevel to 0.5 point. After that, select the second set of shapes and repeat the same steps, but this time apply a different gradient color. Do the same again for the third set of shapes, also using a different gradient color. Once this is done, select the first set of shapes again and send them to the back, followed by the same operation for the second and third sets. Now, select the top 3 shapes and group them together, then group the bottom 3 shapes together. Repeat the same grouping for the other 2 sets of shapes. Next, from all the top 3 groups, select only the top 2 shapes and apply the transparency option from Shape Format. Then, from the bottom 3 groups, apply transparency to the bottom 2 shapes only. Finally, select all 6 groups and apply the spinner animation from the Animations tab. Increase the duration to 1.50 seconds and set the Start option to with Previous. Now, select the 2 group shapes on the right. Click Add Animation and apply the spin animation. From Effect Options, choose Counterclockwise Direction and set it to a quarter spin. Under Start, select with Previous so the animation runs smoothly. Next, select the 2 grouped shapes on the left. Once again, add the spin animation, but this time change the setting to a half spin instead of a quarter spin, while keeping all the other settings the same. Once that's done, drag all the shapes toward the center, positioning them just behind the first set of shapes to create a layered look. Now add all your necessary texts and icons. After that, select all the text and icons together and apply the zoom animation. Set the Start option to with Previous and add a slight delay so they pop in at the right time for extra emphasis. Finally, right-click on the slide, go to Format Background, and change the background color to something soft and soothing for a clean, professional presentation. And that's it. Your animated slide is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe.